Hello everyone, today I'm gonna unbox a wireless dongle kit that I bought from Amazon. So I'll take you through the whole process. This is the Carlink kit that I bought from Amazon. It is the Carlink 5.0, I guess. It's sealed in the box. I will open it up quickly. Okay, so inside the box we have the dongle itself. It's fairly small. Okay, underneath the cover we have USB-C to USB-C, and another one USB-C to USB-A. I will probably use this because my car is an older type of USB port. So we also have the instruction manual. That's about it. The dongle, two types of USB cable, whether your port is a USB-A or USB-C, and instruction manual. Nothing else in the box. Okay, so we'll move on to the next stage. Okay, now I'm in my vehicle. This car, as you can see, supports Android Auto and CarPlay, but conventionally I use a USB cable to connect it to my iPhone. Okay, so now we're going wireless. So I have my dongle here plugging to the USB cable. So we are going to hook it up for the very first time. There's no light. There is light. So it's in red color. So what I need to do now is to go to settings of my phone, Bluetooth, search for it. Hopefully we see AutoKit. Yep, there is AutoKit D29. Is anything gonna happen? Yes, it says you want to use iPod or CarPlay. I say I want to use CarPlay. Okay, please use your Bluetooth to connect. Okay, sees my phone and it's now connecting. From my phone I need to allow it by saying use CarPlay. Okay, yes, we are connected. So we are now wireless. As you can see, no wires, everything is connected to the Carlink, and we're gonna test how's the response. Yeah, I think for map browsing it's not a problem. Let me lower down the volume. Do you see? It will follow the colors of the album art. Yep, it's true. Let's try the next song. See? Red in color. Okay, so it works. How's the latency? It's about 1 or 2 seconds. Yeah, there's 1 or 2 second delay, but that's fine. I think this is a worth upgrade to go wireless. If you have any questions, just drop your questions at the comment section for me to try out. If there's anything else you want to know, hi Siri.
Good evening. What can I do for you?
Is it gonna rain?
It doesn't look like it's going to rain today.
So Siri works. Hi Siri. Is it gonna rain?
Hello. What can I do for you?
Is it gonna rain? Is it gonna rain?
It doesn't look like it's going to rain today.
Okay, cool. Steering wheel control works, I think. Yep, it works. And I think I have the button to trigger Siri as well. What's the date for today?
It's Sunday, August 6th, 2023.
Okay. So everything works. That's all from me now. Thank you for watching.